poor dog was rescued by At-Choo Foundation. One would think he went through a war, with his very humble fur, raw skin, itchy mange, limping leg and open wounds. How these street animals survive is mind-boggling. Their emotions and bodies are tattered and they keep on keeping on. Hoping and believing help will come. Trusting it will come. And, as they say, wishes and dreams to come true. A team of kind humans gathered, all focusing on helping him. Thank you to Isa, Marissa, Denisse and Karla Garcia, who ended up being his driver to get help and is fostering him. Thank you, also, to Matryoshka Clinic for staying and helping him. What we know is that this boy is around 6 to 7 years old and is very underweight at 16 microscopic pounds. His teeth worn down to nubs in the front tell the story of eating rocks or other hard stuff that instead should have been nutritious and delicious vittles. He has a mass on his thorax, plus the tick diseases of Ehrlichia, anaplasma, and he is also anemic. Let's have some good news. He is eating and drinking and is being smothered in love and comfort with Karla. Predicting a custom fairy tale for him to go along with his wishes and dreams coming true. Let's go. Please support At-Choo Foundation.